Welcome to Booleans in Python. This is a session about Booleans, truth value testing, Boolean values of various constructs, and operations on Booleans. These are arithmetic, relational, bitwise, identity, and logical. Numbers can be 1, 4.5, or even 2 plus 3j. But a Boolean is only ever true or false. A Boolean represents truth values. If we print the type of the variable alive, it is of the type bool. The Boolean is named after the mathematician George Boole. What's truth value testing? Since everything in Python has a truth value, we can use it as a test in a condition or as an operand in a Boolean operation. The bool function turns a value into a Boolean. Bool of kindness is true, but an empty list has a Boolean value of false. The following have a Boolean value of false. The constants like none and false, zeros like 0, 0.0, 0j, 0l, which is for long, decimal 0, and fraction 0. And empty sequences like empty strings, tuples, lists, sets, and ranges. What's true plus true? The Boolean true becomes the integer 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So what do different values become when converted to Boolean? 0 is false, 0.11 zeros and 1 becomes true. The empty string is false, but the string with just one space is not empty and is true. The object P of class person is true. Some functions return Boolean values. Is the string courage all digits? No, it's not. As on numbers, we can also perform operations on Booleans. We should start with arithmetic operations. 0 and 1 have the Boolean values of false and true respectively. What's true plus true? Well, 1 plus 1 is 2. False plus true? 0 plus 1 is 1. What's false minus true? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And false into true? 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. More operations. False by true? 0.0. True by false? This is a zero division error since you cannot divide a number by 0. False mod true is 0 mod 1. This is 0. 0 to the power 0 is 1. 0 floor divide 1 is 0. What's true plus true into false plus true? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. So this gives us 1. We can also compare Boolean values. Is false greater than true? No. Is it less than or equal to true? Of course. Do you remember Bitwise Operators from our previous lectures? They apply to Booleans as well. True and false is 1 and 0, which is false for 0. True or false is 1 or 0, so true. True XOR false, true. 1's complement of true, minus 2. False right shift 2, 0. True left shift 2, 4. Grab a pen and try these out on paper. We can also check identity on Booleans. Is false the same as false? Yes, it is. Is it not the same as 0? Yes, it isn't. They're equal but not the same. Finally, Booleans are also compatible with logical operators like AND, or and not. False and true, false. False or true, true. Not if true, false. This is all about Booleans in Python. Keep learning.